Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register in Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing would be is just like to go to the Etsy.com website and make sure it is like the Etsy website. And from there, you will be needing simply just to create an account. In case you want to sell on Etsy, you will need just to click on sell on Etsy. Otherwise, if you want like just to discover like the items or you want to buy stuff, you will need just to click on sign in and then click on register. And this will allow you like to create an account or a user account in Etsy. So you will add the like your email address, or you can simply like continue with these items, or you can like log in with your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple ID, etc. And simply you can like add your informations, and there you go. And otherwise, if you want to sell on Etsy, you will need just like click on get started. The first thing you will be asked is the email address. You will need just to continue, and let's go back and let's do anything like arbitrary and like that .com. You will need just to verify, and here you will add your first name. It can be anything, and from here like it can add anything. You click on register, and then you will be needing like just to verify your account. So here you will need just to click on let's do this, and you will add your information. You will need like to add all the information. The better you add information, the better it is. Now you can start your shop, and basically you will be able like to start adding your shop preferences, etc. And at the end, you will be needing, of course, like to verify your email so your shop doesn't get closed. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.